everyone, so how are you all? So today I will unbox with you my January bling bag which I have received just now, and I'm super excited to see what is inside it. So let's start unboxing it without wasting any time. Before that, please subscribe to my channel with the bell button so that you will get notified for each of my new video and you don't have to search for my channel. So let's start. This is the bling bag which I have received, and I'm just going to open it, and there is a leaflet here. Leaflet says that this is Dreamy Affair edition, and they have few blings which actually symbolizes sun, moon and stars, and which will give you that positivity, energy and happiness, brightness, so that you can actually kick up your this year with bang. So I love their theme, I love this edition, and it's very nice. So let's actually dig into the bag. I feel the bag is super awesome. Yes, oh my god, how to open it? Okay, so this is the bag guys. I loved it और ये मतलब ऐसे इसको खींचना है तो ये छोटी हो जाएगी, and this is what the bag looks like. ये साड़ी पे बहुत अच्छी लगने वाली है. I just loved it and I feel like just इसके साथ बैठूं, मैं देखूं अच्छे से ये कैसी है, बट नहीं, मैं देखते नहीं बैठूंगी, मैं खोलूंगी इसको और आपको ब्लिंग्स दिखाऊंगी कि इसमें क्या क्या है. तो इसमें कुछ कार्ड्स आए हुए हैं. आई सी सम कार्ड्स हियर जिस पे लिखा हुआ होगा रेट and what that particular bling is about. So first bling which I see here is this, and this looks like a pendant. Okay, layered pendant necklace, and it looks awesome. The color is awesome. I'm loving it. This is how the pendant necklace looks like. I loved it. It looks so cute, super cute, and this is for rupees 599. I can actually take it out and wear it single also. So let's move on to the next bling what we have here. Oh, I think this is a bracelet. Yes, Alina cuff bracelet. This is for 899 rupees. So this is how it looks. I loved it. So let's move on to next bling. Let's see what it is. Wow, pink pouch is so cute. Oh, this is ring. I love rings. So this is how it looks, and I loved it. My mirror is down, so I'm actually watching in the mirror how it looks. I have kept it in an angle so that I can see the blings, how it looks on me. So this is how the ring looks. This is a statement ring, and this ring is for rupees 499, and this is star shape, so it actually symbolizes star. Let's move on to next bling and the last bling, which is sad, but yeah, that's how it is. 4 blings in bling bag. So this is the last one, and this is again a pendant necklace. Okay, this time I don't have any earring. This is the last pendant necklace which I have received in bling bag. So this pendant necklace is two-way. You can wear it as a choker like this. You can take the first part up, and this is a down part which can go down, so you can wear it as a necklace, like a pendant necklace, both down, or you can take it up and you can use this as a choker. So these are the two ways which you can use this, and I love the way actually they have designed this. And this is for 999 rupees, that is 1000 rupees. That's all about unboxing of my January bling bag. These are all the things which I have received in my January bling bag. I have loved all of them, and hope you have liked my unboxing video. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Stay connected with bell button. Share this with your friend who is in love with jewelry collection and all like me, so that she can also enjoy. And yeah, keep connected with me. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.